Hey, my name is Lucy Marie. I'm in the 8th grade and this is my second year with Cougar Strong Racing. Last year my job was team manager and this year I'd like to be team manager again because I think I'm good at decision making and keeping the team in check. One of my biggest goals is to have fun, work with the team, and win.
My name is Miles Gill. I'm in the 8th grade and this is my 3rd year on the team. Last year I was the pit manager and this year I want to be on the pit crew because I like winning on the car. My goals this year are to be 3-time national champions.
Hey, my name is Drew Pearson and I'm in the 8th grade and this is my 2nd year with Cougar Strong Racing. Last year I was our first driver and this year I'd like to do the same because I really enjoyed it. One of my biggest goals is to become a driver again and help us win the national championship.
Hello, I'm Owen Tucker. I'm in the 8th grade. This is my 2nd year on Cougar Strong Racing. Last year I was part of the pit crew and this year I'm hoping to achieve pit crew chief or at least pit crew. One of my biggest goals for this year is to learn more about mechanics and how the car works and to get national champions again.
My name is Colin Tanner. I'm in 8th grade and this is my 3rd year on Cougar Strong Racing. Last year I was an assistant pit crew chief and this year I want to be a driver because I feel as if I could have good times and win. One of my biggest goals for this year is to carry my team to another national championship.
Hey, my name is Ken Anderson. I'm in the 8th grade and this is my 3rd year with Cougar Strong Racing. Last year I was battery manager, but this year I want to be the team manager because I know how to successfully direct a team. One of my biggest goals this year is to improve my communication skills with my fellow peers.
Hi, my name is Preston Strickland. I'm in the 8th grade and this is my 3rd year on the team. Last year I was pit crew chief and this year I would like to be pit crew chief again because I like leading the team to fix any problems that may occur during the race. One of my biggest goals for this year is to lead my team to the 3rd national championship and 2nd with me as pit crew chief.
Hi, my name is Lillian Johnston. I'm in the 8th grade and this is my 3rd year with Cougar Strong Racing. Last year, my job was being a driver, and this year I'd like to do the same thing because my experience driving for the team over the past 2 years makes me feel confident in my ability to do the same for the upcoming year. One of my biggest goals for this year is to win every race and receive the national championship trophy again.
Hi, my name is Blaine Hargrove. I'm in the 8th grade and this is my 3rd year with Cougar Strong Racing Team. Last year I was the assistant pit manager and this year I'd like to be driver. My biggest goal if I get driver is to not wreck and fastly maneuver between the barriers.
Hi, my name is Yogar Galvez Martinez. I am in the 8th grade and I am new to the Cougar Strong Racing Team this year. I wanted to join the Green Power team this year because I want to learn some more about mechanics. I think what I'm looking for the most is winning. The job I'm hoping to get is being the driver because I always wanted to drive.
Hey, my name is Carolyn Harry and I'm in the 8th grade. This is my 2nd year with Cougar Strong Racing. Last year my job was 2nd driver and this year I'd like to be a driver again because I felt like my lap times were more effective. One of my biggest goals for this year is to have fun and complete races.